All right, we're working today with equations. We're solving for the variable. We're trying to determine what the value of the variable is, and that's this guy right here. We're going to get him by himself in the equation. To do that, we need to get rid of the 6. Well, if you have a negative 6, the way to get rid of it is to add its opposite. So we'll add 6. But what we need to keep in mind is whatever we do to this side of the equal sign, we need to do to this side of the equal sign. So if we add 6 to one side, we have to add 6 to the other side. When we add 6 to the left side where x is, we find that 6 gets canceled out and our x is just how we want it, all by itself. So we'll bring him down here. Then we'll do to the right side of the equation what we propose, and that is add 6 to it. If we add 6 to 15, we get 21. So we'll bring 21 down here because now x equals 21. But we can't stop there. We have to make sure that we're correct. So we have to rewrite the equation, putting 21 in as a substitution for x. So we're going to do that. We're going to write 21 minus 6 equals 15. And we're going to find out if we're correct. So 21 minus 6, regroup, got 11, and we got 5, bring down our 1. Guess what? We did it right. That's how you solve in an equation for a variable. Now you might ask yourself, Miss Mack, that's how you solve for the variable when I'm subtracting, but what do I do if I have to add something? How do I figure it out then? Well, in your brain, you probably have already figured out the answer to this one, but I'm going to show you. It's exactly the way we did the last one. We are going to get this guy right here all by himself. We need to find out what n is. And in order to do that, we need to do the opposite to what's in the equation on the left side of the equal sign, and that is to subtract 4. We're doing the opposite of what 4 is doing. So if we have 4 and we take 4 away, we're going to get 0, so we'll get our n by itself. But remember, whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So we're also going to subtract 4 from this side. So now that I've gotten n by itself, because this canceled out, I'm going to bring n down here. So I have n, and then I'm going to put my equal sign. Got to drag that down. And now I need to figure out my equation over here. So I have 22. I'm taking 4 away from that. I'll regroup. I have 12. 12 to take away 4 is 8. Bring down my 1. My answer is 18. But we're not done there. We need to check our answer. So let's rewrite the equation with 18 in there for n. So we'll put 18, and we were adding 4 to 18, and that equals 22. That's what we said. That's what we're trying to prove. So let's do it on this side here. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Ta-da! We figured it out. The answer really is 18. So you're really just doing the opposite of what's in the equation to get the variable by itself. And then you'll find out, well, by checking if your answer is correct.